Alright, so look y'all, I got something for y'all. I got something y'all gonna fucking like. Something y'all ain't gonna fucking be able to turn your head away from. Some y'all don't normally see a lot. Y'all might see it, but y'all don't see that shit from me, nigga. On the cool, I gotta go wear some goggles next time I go do that shit. I had rubber in my eye, had glass in my eye. Nigga, y'all about to see everything I fucking seen. But shit, other than that, let's get to this motherfucking banger so you can see these motherfucking cars getting to the swinging, goddammit. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today, man? So look, first off, let's get a like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell just so we can be notified whenever I drop a video, one of these motherfucking car meets. We're gonna be swinging and banging. Put that light back on. Yeah, man. I got a couple of errands to run tonight. As y'all can see, you know, it's dark outside. But I got a couple errands to run, and after that, we gonna be to the car meet. So we made it to this bitch, finally. Hey, for real, you gonna need some new tires. No shit. Exactly what my shit gonna do.
Okay, what it do?
Not what he wanted it to do.
Not spinning.
He probably left the electric stability on because he had one tire going. I don't know. I'm not in there. That's why I need a parking lot. I gotta try that shit by myself first before I do that in front of everybody.
Hey, the old tires can be open. I've never seen a big dude.
lot of fucking smoke in this bitch right now. In the motherfucking truck. I needed that in the quad cab, dog. Oh shit. Did we get here too late? Yep.
Party's over already, guys.
Okay. We gotta go to your house now.
Alright, so go back out where we just came and make a right.
What they doing?